Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you the practical demo of a transient response of an RL circuit. So here this is the position of t equal to 0 minus. At the stop position, on position, this is t equal to 0 plus, and the cable inside this fan will act as an resistive load, and this fan will act as an inductive load. Okay, initially if you give the supply, the fan will not rotate, where this is called as due to inertia or due to weight or due to mass. Now let us try to see the practical demo. So now our fan is in just before switching. This is nothing but 0 minus, and now I am going to move the switch. Okay, so now moving the switch is indirectly creating a transient. At t equal to 0, I have been moved the fan to on position. Whenever the fan is in on position, here you can see here the supply has gone and the fan has initially not rotated. Now it is rotating. It's not unable to pick up the speed due to inertia, and now this period is called as a transient period. Okay, whenever it is there in transient period, automatically it doesn't rotate due to inertia. Now fan has attained a speed of 350 rpm. Now the fan is in steady state mode of operation. This is how to understand. So now the fan is at t equal to 0 plus.